Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into something incredibly useful: how to set your Gmail email to automatically expire in 5 years. This simple feature can be a real game changer for keeping your inbox secure and organized over time. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to send the message from. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the Compose button. You'll now see a fresh blank email ready to go. Before writing anything, look up at the top right corner and tap the 3 dots icon. From the menu that appears, select Confidential Mode. This is the special setting that allows you to control how long your email will stay active before it expires or locks itself away. Next, under the section called Set Expiry, tap the time option and choose Expire in 5 years. This means your email and all its contents, messages, attachments, and any sensitive details will automatically become inaccessible to the recipient after 5 years. Once you've chosen the 5-year option, tap Save to confirm your settings. Now you can go ahead and fill in your recipient's email address, your subject line, and the message you'd like to send. When you're happy with everything, tap Send. Gmail will handle the rest, ensuring your email stays protected and disappears at exactly the right time. This feature isn't just about privacy, it's also a great way to keep communication time-specific and clutter-free. Think of it as setting a gentle digital timer. After 5 years, your message vanishes, giving you one less thing to worry about later on. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've learned how to set your Gmail email to expire in 5 years, helping you stay more organized and in control of your digital life. Try it out today and see how simple and powerful it can be.